Swan-inspired thing, and it took me quite a while to get the idea and the concept down of what I wanted to do, and I'm excited now. It feels good. So I'm starting the year off with a new video of furniture build for the house, and I'm excited. It's like Clues trying to do this like sort of Twilight Zone Hitchcock thing, and people on the edge of their seat. So I sort of put the footage together and showed my wife, and I'm like laughing, and she's just like, "Oh, so you didn't even try to be serious?" Like what do you mean? It's like what 2015 did for me, and I'm even more excited about what 2016 is going to do particularly for the podcast. This is our 10th episode, so we've been doing it for maybe almost 3 months. But what that means for 2016 is that we'll probably have another 50 episodes, and that's really, really exciting. I want to do something like that to a total stranger and open up the door for me. That I never in a million years would have thought of. And what hit home for me especially is my trip to Illinois. Okay, I'm actually not only did I reach out to a couple of guys that are our friends, our maker friends, Andy and Jeff Redchick. I drove for a couple hours to meet these guys, and there was no anxiety for me. There was nothing but excitement. When I got there, there was hugs, there was fun, it was just amazing. So it is something special. It's a common page, we do this with all of our MacGyver stories, because my buddies and I were talking about this years ago about writing a book we're going to call Getting It Home, because all the times our car broke down the side of the road, and what stupid contraptions I came up with to get the thing home. It's like, oh, a tow truck, and now just like.
I'm guessing tiki, I don't know. Brutalist. Weird as shit. Make a couple cool benches out of those.
But he had it in a video that I saw, so, kudos and credit there. Well, that's why it's okay to have a little bit of overlap here and there too in this stuff, because, we're not all seeing the same things. Like, I'm not watching it enough, but it's.
Hey, Jojo. What's up? Marty, man. What's up? What are you doing? We're taking some pictures. Loaded stuff. Desk, bench, console, round metal thing, couple of side tables, weird basket, signs. Give you the tour. Junk shop right across the street, never been there. Well, maybe once. So I sent Pat some pictures and, sent Corey, the manager, some pictures, and prices were close but not quite there. So we're going to show Pat the pieces in person and do a little negotiation, because he likes to negotiate. How you doing? So, I've been emailing with Corey, and I wanted to show Pat some things if he's around.
I think he's around. I'll get him for you.
Cool. So this is what he bought. 2 sides, bench, magnet, reclaimed wood, serving trays, desk, console. Helper. So that concludes the sale of the van load of furniture. Pat bought every piece of furniture, a couple of serving trays, a couple of mini CO signs, and I'm gonna go throw some discs. Favorite disc, man. Just finished up disc golf. Heading back to the house. Give the dogs a treat. Go cut some steel for the... Just decided I was going to stop by and see if I couldn't score an old door they took off of a building they're remodeling. I'll try to get permission because it's, even though it's been sitting there for a while, I'm gonna see if they'll offer it up for free. So the guy gave me a green light to go ahead and take the doors. Get a quick shot of them for you real quick. They're pretty darn cool. One thing he didn't buy.
What's that?
Got the hardware. Yeah. That's good. Pretty cool. He even had the sliding track, which I don't know if I'll use or not, but looks like they're about 50, close to 50 wide. Let's go home. Quiet little neighborhood. A little ridiculously quiet for my taste, but I'm gonna take a quick peek at these again. They're pretty interesting. Definitely age. Still got the barn hardware on them, which is really cool. There's $50 right there if you want to eBay them. Easy peasy. Put a piece of glass or something back in there. Alright, I'm gonna get some food. That was easy. First move of the new Jenga stack. Sticky. Tacky, I should say. Top I picked up in Boulder looking for some lumber. A side table that didn't fare so well. I screwed the top down and cracked the top where it had a bow. What we're doing tonight. Tonight is gonna be probably just one project, two projects. Clean the counter and put the angle iron on the end of this tray because I'm take the sharp edges off that. These are not cutting boards, they're serving trays because of the epoxy in foods is probably not a good idea, so I'd perfect. Good, which is exactly what Heather just said. Sounds good. Apparently she's up in the house texting me. That's pretty funny. Sheet. Work on that tomorrow. Looks like I'm out for cocktail.